Hello everyone, I'm here to do a full face Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to be trying out these Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Pro Filter Concealers and this Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder as well. These go hand in hand. I got these matched up at the Fenty Beauty Concealer London launch, and I'll also be using all my other Fenty Beauty products to create a whole makeup look for you guys. So I've actually got these three. Depending, because I'm on holiday, my skin tone is different to what it usually is. So we've actually got a darker one. This is 255. And this is probably going to be better for me with the tan, but without my tan in horrible London weather, it's going to be 350. And then I've also got one on the other end of the spectrum at 330, which I will use as well. I mean, when I've got super dark under eyes, that's going to work wonders, especially after a night out. RIHANNA says it's the cure, but today I'm going to be using 255. First I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty primer. We're running real low on this. Just put it on my hand. This is all you really need. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Next, I'm gonna use my Pro Filter foundation in colour 320. This is actually like the perfect match for me usually. Because I've got a bit of a tan, I know I'm definitely gonna have to bronze myself up a little bit. My nose is so red from the sun, so we're definitely gonna need to cover that up. So I'm going in with the famous product, Pro Filter. This is in colour 350. This is the colour that I was matched with at the launch. So apparently it's my perfect match. And already you can feel it's really thick. In comparison to a lot of my other concealers, it's very thick. I'm doing here because I get darkness here, so it's anywhere where you kind of get dark. So my chin, I have a little bum chin. People say it's cute, but I beg to differ. And I'm just gonna define my brows a little bit more. I don't actually have a really small brush from Fenty Beauty, so I'm actually going to use a brush that I've already got, Studio 10, and this is a really great concealer brush. And I'm just going to blend all this out. I always do my eyebrows first because a lot of the time I mess them up, so it's always safer to get them done and get them out of the way first. I'm just defining them a little bit. I still want them to look quite natural, so I'm not doing like a super bold line, but I do want them to look neat. So if you're like me and your skin tone kind of goes different all the time, then you can probably get away with a few different concealer colours. I'm going to go in with the 330. I know I've got a bit of a tan, but I feel like I can just get away with a little bit there. Maybe in my nose too. A little bit. This is just going to create like major coverage. I've been sleeping right recently, so you can't really see a huge difference, but there is no bags there. That is the main thing. But usually I have really dark under eyes. So I've got my matchsticks in Cocoa and Truffle. These are going to make me look a little bit warmer and more defined and more bronzed. So I'm going straight in with Truffle. This is a really dark colour, so I don't actually need much of this. And I'm only going to put it here and here. These are the main areas that I want to be shadowed. I'm also doing a dark eye and an orange lip, so I'm going to be using this as the base. Now I'm going to go with my favourite. This is Cocoa. This is just what I wish I was. it's like all over, but this is gonna make me look so much warmer, and I'm just gonna put it in all these areas. I'm also using this 110 foundation brush. I'm using this to blend everything in because it's all I have that's Fenty, but it does work wonders for most products. So you see already I'm getting really warm, more of a head shape rather than a moon. You know, it's there to define. That's what the matchsticks are for. They're there for creatively defining your face, I guess. I'm using my Obsession Warm Up Eyeshadow palette, which looks like trash, but it's one of my favourite palettes because it's got my, you know, everyday colours in it. I'm going to use the colour Twist here. I'm going to use Hustle Baby on my lids. And then blend it out. I'm going to do a nice wing with my Revolution Pro eyeliner. I'm going to put this mascara on by Model Zone. So I'm going to dust off this powder with this sleek brush. Ooh, flawless! Sorry. I love that it still keeps me brown. This is actually colour Honey. So I guess that's my shade. I'm going to go in with another matchstick. This is in colour Trippin'. And I'm going to go here, here, here. I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out a little bit. It's got a really nice orange gold tone, so it's going to go really nice with the lip. Going to go back in with Hustle using a Bleach London brush. This highlight gives me life. I'm going to use this brown liquid eyeliner for my freckles. I got this off eBay, real cheap. I'm going to use a brown eyeliner pencil. I'm going to use this around my lips. It's just going to create a really nice lip line and make my lips look a little bit bigger. Next I'm going to use my Mademoiselle in colour Pumpkin. This is stunning. And I'm just going to go over my lips and it's going to blend with the liner. I'm going to use a little bit of Dragon Mammy as well. This is a really nice chili red. So that is the final lip colour, all blended out. I'm going to take my hair out and pose. Bitch better have my money.